If you're looking to stream Hulu on your TV, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you have a smart TV, a streaming device, or a gaming console, we've got you covered. Step 1. Check your TV's compatibility. Before you begin, ensure that your TV is compatible with Hulu. If you have a smart TV, it likely comes with the Hulu app pre-installed, or it can be downloaded from your TV's app store. For non-smart TVs, you'll need an external streaming device like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast. Step 2. Connect your TV to the internet. Make sure your TV or streaming device is connected to the internet. You'll need a stable Wi-Fi or wired connection to stream Hulu smoothly. Step 3. Install the Hulu app, if needed, for smart TVs. Go to the TV's app store, e.g. Samsung Smart Hub, LG Content Store, or Android TV's Google Play Store. Search for the Hulu app and select Install or Download. For streaming devices, Roku, Fire Stick, etc. Open the device's home screen and navigate to the App Store. Search for Hulu and install the app. For gaming consoles, PlayStation, Xbox. On the console's main menu, go to the App Store, PlayStation Store, or Xbox Store. Search for Hulu, then download and install it. Step 4. Sign in to Hulu. Once the Hulu app is installed, open the Hulu app from your TV's home screen. Select the Login option. Enter your Hulu account credentials, email, and password. If you don't have a Hulu account, select Sign Up to create one. Step 5. Start streaming. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start watching. Browse through Hulu's library of movies, TV shows, documentaries, and more. Select the content you want to watch and enjoy. Troubleshooting tips. App not available. If you can't find Hulu in your TV's app store, check for software updates for your TV or streaming device. Streaming issues. If Hulu isn't streaming smoothly, try restarting your router, checking your internet speed, or restarting your device. Sign-in problems. If you forget your password, use the Forgot Password option on the login screen to reset it. Now you can enjoy all your favorite Hulu content directly on your TV. Happy streaming.